Promoting products on YouTube should be straightforward. You just have to be yourself. Okay, so if it's a physical product, make sure you've already tried the product and try to show it in the video. And try to mention as many things as you can that you like about the product, and mention one or two things that you dislike about it, or a couple weaknesses, because if you mention those things, your review will be more believable, and viewers will like you more for pointing out any weaknesses of the product. Overall though, your video should be a good review of the product. And if you can, try to turn the product's weaknesses into strengths. So, for example, if you are giving a review of a camera, and let's say one of the things you don't like about it is that it's too small, you could say, well, at least it's easy to bring this camera around with you and it could fit in your backpack.